Before we paint, let's pause. These flowers in the garden are not asking to be copied. They are simply there, growing in their own way. Today's painting is the same. No drawing, no planning, just color, just movement. Just beginning where you are. Take a slow breath. You are allowed to start gently. I place color down softly, not thinking too much. Rose matter spreads. It finds its own shape. There's no right petal here, no wrong one either. If your hand feels unsure, that's okay. Uncertainty is part of starting. Let a color lead, you can follow. More colors join in, purple, yellow, they touch, they mix, they don't ask permission. I add stems slowly, just enough to connect. Nothing needs to be perfect. Connection doesn't need precision. If your mind feels busy, let it rest in the movement of green, up, down, breathing with the brush. This flower begins differently. Petals first, structure later. Purple feels deeper, more grounded. I let some areas stay light, others grow darker. Life has layers like this too. Light moments, heavy ones, both belong, both are welcome on the paper. Carmine arrives boldly, warm, alive. I don't hold it back, I let it be itself. Sometimes confidence looks like this. Not loud, just present. You don't have to earn your space. You're allowed to take it. Another flower finds a place, no hesitation. Not every decision needs time. Some things feel right immediately. Trust those moments. Yellow feels like light, softened, gentle. It fills a quiet space, not fix it, just balance. I ate a touch of pink nearby, like a conversation between colors. If something feels empty, it might just be waiting, not lacking. The last flower is calm, cool, steady. Blue settles the page like evening after a warm day. I add shadow carefully, not to darken it, but to give it depth. This is a reminder softness can still be wrong. You don't have to rush to finish. Let a painting tell you when it's ready. Here they are, loose, different, complete, no drawing was needed. Just attention, just permission. If you're new to painting or new to slowing down, this is enough. You showed up, you stayed present, you made something gentle. Carry this calm with you into the rest of the day, into whatever comes next. Thank you for painting with me. I will see you in the next one.